Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy, I am cleaning another drawer in my bedroom, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today I am cleaning out a drawer in my bedroom that has workout shorts. I obviously love workout shorts and workout skirts because the drawer is pretty full. So I'm going to take everything out, see if I have anything to declutter, fold everything, put it back in. Just a short, quick, clean, tidy. And I want to just take just a minute to thank my friend Melinda from Melinda Plain and Simple for putting today's Tiny Tidy playlist together for us. I will link Melinda's channel in my description box below, along with Sunday Dawn's channel, and I will also link today's Tiny Tidy. What's it called, Lily? Today's Tiny Tidy playlist in my description box as well. Little tongue-tied there. But Lily went to the groomer today, right, Lily? And she got groomed and she wanted to show you her bow. You want to show everybody your bow? Turn your head a little bit so they can see your bow. She's feeling all festive and in the holiday spirit. So do you want to go help me with the drawer? You want to go help me with the drawer? All right, let's get busy. Okay, so this is the drawer that I am going to work in today. I have it sorted into like 3 areas. This obviously needs to be folded, but I have kind of my like running shorts here. I have cotton shorts here, and I have my like little workout skirt shorts here. So we're just gonna remove all of the shorts, clean out the drawer, see if we have anything to declutter, and put it all back in.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me
Okay, so this is the finished product. I have all of these folded nice and neat. I have my cotton shorts folded right there, nice and neat. And then I have my skirts folded right there. So everything is ready to go. I cannot wait to start wearing these again in the spring. So I am pretty impressed that I did find some things to go ahead and declutter and let go of. I have these shorts. This is from the college that I graduated from. I do not wear them. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter those. So that makes one pair. And then I have this one, this little workout skirt with the shorts, but it is too big. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter that one. So that makes two. I have this. I got these forever ago, and they're just stretched out and they're faded, and so it's just time to let that go. So that makes three. Then I have these biking type shorts, and I just do not wear those, so I'm going to let those go. So that would be four. I have these little softy shorts that say Hilton Head. That's one of my favorite places to go vacation, but I have another pair that say Hilton Head. So I decided, why have duplicates? So I am decluttering these. So with these shorts, that makes five. I have these shorts that are like trimmed in blue. I don't think I've worn these like for the past 2 seasons. So I'm going to go ahead and let these go. So that makes six. And then I have these, and they're just too big, so I'm going to declutter those. So that makes seven. So I ended up letting go of 7 of these, and it was kind of hard. And there are some that honestly I could probably still let go of, but I have them for sentimental reasons. But one day I'm going to get there and I'm going to declutter the sentimental stuff. I have a pair of shorts like this that have the college that I went to, like, on here, and I literally moved home from college, like my years in college, with those shorts, and it's like I never wear them. Occasionally I do, but for the most part I never wear them. But I don't know, I just cannot let them go, but I will one day. So yeah, 7 items. So I think that's great. It did not take me very long at all, just maybe 10 minutes tops, and I have another drawer complete. So, you know, it's like if you have 10 minutes here, 10 minutes there, you can just, you know, do a drawer, one drawer at a time. You can do it one day at a time. You can do it like, you can do one drawer, wait an hour, do another drawer. You can do one drawer a week, whatever you want to do, as long as you're making progress. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope this video motivated or inspired you in some way, shape, or form. Let me know in the comments what you tidied along with me, and I will see you guys next time. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. Love you guys. Bye-bye. Molly did not want to go unnoticed today. Isn't that right, Molly? So you want to show them your pretty bow too? So normally I don't like helping with organizing and decluttering, but I wanted everybody to see my bow. Yeah. Okay, you can go. Okay, Lily wants to play ball. So that's it.
Just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow